Hello friends, so how are you all? So tomorrow there is a 9th April Kolkata races, last day of the Kolkata races, which will be there. So first race is around 1:45 p.m. Not wasting much time, directly coming to the selections. So in the first race I like number 7 Bemus for win and place. So tomorrow is the last day. Maybe most of the races will be upset, so keep in mind, play less and save your money. Okay, anything can happen, and there will be hookups, pull-ups, and every type of cheating will be there for tomorrow races. Okay, so be careful. uh, in the first race I have given number 7 each way. Coming to the second race I like number 4 for win, but make sure that if 4 is a short price fancy favorite, then please avoid, because this company may not go favorite as far as I feel. And over here in this race, I think the race should be between number 4 and 5. So go for 4 and 5 Quanila. That will be best. Coming to the third race is the class 3 1200-meter race. Over here there is an horse called Sitara from Kolkata. Sorry, from Hyderabad he has come to run over here. I don't think that this horse can win in this class or anything. Even the top jockey is sitting on this horse. Maybe this will be a hot fancy favorite. But over here I like number 5 Summer Air, which is a very good horse. Came from Mumbai and won in 1200 meter, then in 1400 meter. Then he ran for a mile race, which was not his distance. So again back to the 1200 meter. So this horse I am giving you the day's best. Go for win and place number 5 Summer Air. Okay, the odds will be around 2 to 1 or 3 to 1. And over here definitely number 1 Sitara will be hot favorite, but again avoid that horse and go for number 5 Summer Air, win and place should be good. And you can go for forecast hedging bets 1551. Coming to the fourth race of the day, again this is the class 3 1200-meter race. Over here I like number 4 Port of Spain. Even though this horse is on the promotion, but last impressive win with 6 lengths should make frame in this race. Over here this horse has a threat with Resolute. Okay, again Resolute is a hedge bet. Resolute can upset the race, because this horse has also ran 2000 meter, 1600 meter, again back to the 1200 meter. So this horse can upset the race. So again hedge with number 7 Port of Spain. Coming to the fifth race, the Club Fancia Cup. This is the maiden race, 1400 meter. Over here I like number 6 Appreciate for win, in the hands of Akshay Kumar. And last time it was favorite failed with Neeraj sitting on that, but now the pedigree win legend is the best lot in this maiden horses. I like Appreciate for win and place. And over here Suraj horse Oasis may be favorite. I really don't know what will be the odds. Just because Suraj is sitting the horse, sorry. Just because Suraj is sitting the horse may be favorite. I really don't know. But again, over here I like number 6 for win. So coming to the sixth race is a quite tricky race. Anything can happen in this race. But over here I like number 1 Capricious for place. This horse has came down. Rating has came down from 95 to 86, and again uh, last few runs were quite held back run, so he was keeping back the horses to rating should be come down. So rating has come down, and after rating coming down, the horse is running from, the shoe has been changed from steel to aluminum, which is quite impressive. So this horse may make the should come in the frame. Okay, over here Inca I don't like. Malwa is from the Bangalore. Last time he won quite impressively. For that enquiry is opened. In this race, number 3 win, number 8 hedge with number 3 for win, 8338 Quanila, and number 1 place. Okay, and coming to the 7th race of the day, which is the Dandified Cup, is a quite tricky race over here. I like number 2 Awesome One for win and place. Again the odds should be around 3 to 1 and above. Over here New England can again upset, but I don't think that horse will repeat again, but can't be ruled out. Number 5 Rainbow Trout will be fancied just because Suraj is sitting on this horse, and last time Suraj rode 5 horses and all lost. So stay away from Suraj. That's it. And over here, number 6 Sagittarius. I like this horse for place, and this horse can upset the race. Okay, so this horse if wins the race, so nothing so surprisingly we should take. Sagittarius can win this race, but again I am selecting this horse for only place. And in the last race is the 1100 meter. There is a good bet, number 7 Around the World. दिस हॉर्स वॉज मीन बोलते हैं ना कि बहुत ही पकड़ा था इसको. लास्ट टाइम जॉकी भी फाइन, इसके पहले भी एक बार फेवरेट था. सो लास्ट रेस नंबर 7 अराउंड द विन शुड विन दिस रेस इन द हैंड्स ऑफ आकाश राजपूत. सो टुमारो कोलकाता रेसेस quite tricky one, but the best of the best I have selected and given to you friends. So thank you very much for supporting me. I will be sharing my WhatsApp group link in the description. Just click the arrow button downside, subscribe my channel, and in the description there will be my selections and the WhatsApp link. Do join my WhatsApp group for better selections during the race time. Okay, thank you very much.